Hello, and welcome back to Soft Soul Journey. Today, we're diving into a 10-minute confident boosting affirmation session. I'm excited to guide you through a practice that will uplift your spirit and foster a strong sense of self-assurance. Find a quiet, comfortable space, and let's begin. As you settle into a comfortable position, take a moment to tune into your breath. Close your eyes gently and let the outside world fade away. Today's meditation is all about cultivating confidence and self-belief, recognizing the strength within you. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your chest and abdomen to expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Let each breath ground you in the present moment. Throughout this session, we'll repeat affirmations designed to boost your confidence. As you hear each affirmation, let it resonate within you. Repeat it silently or out loud if you feel comfortable. Let's begin. I believe in my abilities and potential. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am confident in my unique gifts and talents. I radiate confidence, self-respect, and inner harmony. Visualize yourself in a situation where you exude confidence. See yourself standing tall, expressing your ideas with clarity and navigating challenges with assurance. Feel the energy of confidence radiating from within. As we continue, let's reinforce these affirmations. Repeat after me. I trust in my abilities. I am resilient in the face of challenges. I am deserving of success. Let these words become a mantra, embedding themselves in your consciousness. For the next few moments, I invite you to silently reflect on the affirmations we've repeated. Internalize the feelings of confidence and self-assurance. Embrace the power that resides within you. As we conclude this 10-minute confident boosting affirmation session, take a final deep breath, embracing the strength and assurance you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this newfound confidence with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me in this empowering meditation. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more affirmations and moments of self-discovery. Until next time, may your confidence shine brightly. Namaste.